Participants, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of our team members, consider it a great honor and privilege to be here to present our research paper at 9th International Research Conference of KU. Contemporary society has been a significant milestone in the evolution of technology and innovation, pushing the boundaries of human capabilities. In this context, digital content has made a revolutionary step in almost every aspect of human endeavors. The use of digital communication channels is being used in government enterprises through the use of computing systems. In relevance to these improvements, national security is of utmost importance and a significant role of that is played by surveillance agents. Such operations are carried out by intelligence agents who seem to be distinguished in the general public, and it is crucial for them to protect their identity. Most of these operations are performed via digital channels. So, these community channels must be state-of-the-art system where no unauthorized parties can get access to sensitive information. In relevance to that, existing public systems, we have identified that these individual applications provide separate features and hence a signal application that provide multifunctional security mechanism under one roof doesn't exist. And one of the main drawbacks that we saw was the agent being afraid that someone would be watching over them, their screen where she would be typing the message. Steganography is another secure communication approach in which the contents of the message are hidden in a plain sight. The present work is an attempt to develop a tool to provide secure communication facility to these surveillance agents so that they can have a reliable, infallible mode to communicate. This was the problem that we identified, and crypttext is the solution that we have come up with. Crypttext is a communication tool that can be used for intelligent operations, which enables users to use their own coded language, which is hidden and shared using an image generated from encrypted texts. To brief you about the technical side of the solution, I would like to invite Anshu.
And how we did them. Crypttext security has two phases, mainly front-end and back-end encryption. We use multiple methods to achieve our front-end security objectives. Cryptext's secret language creation is the main component of its front-end security. Secret language creation, randomized secret language auto-generation, keyboard dispatching are the main components under it. The process of secret language creation is done as follows. A customizable keyboard can be generated by either setting values manually or randomizing the values to generate the keyboard that has to be dispatched. This screenshot shows our actual implementation of secret language generation module. As you can see, each of the original keys in the keyboard can be replaced by up to 3 of the user-defined characters. The keyboard can also be randomized with a single button click to save users time of manual creation. The keyboard will be dispatched. When the keyboard is dispatched, it is replaced with the original keyboard of the device by the user-defined keyboard. But we have used this dispatchment in a way that it would only affect some parts of the application, so that it would not affect the user's general usage of the device. With the click of this generate button, the keyboard the user created will be dispatched automatically. Backend security was achieved using our very own steganographic technique where the user-defined key map will be encrypted into a bitmap image and will be transferred to the user. Backend message encryption was performed by using GSA algorithm, and let me introduce you to our steganographic encryption algorithm. As you can see, how the user defines their own language. The table shows the sample user secret language, and it is sent through our encryption algorithm to generate the bitmap image, and this will be the key for the receiving end to decrypt the message he receives. As you can see in this screenshot, the text in the sending text box seems like gibberish, but it is actually a meaningful message hidden under it. With the click of the show button, you can see that it is translated automatically to the words hello world, which were the original words hidden under the text which was cryptographed. Cryptex was developed in a way that it would be usable by any person who has less technical knowledge, and we have developed our login and registration modules in a way that it would consume only few steps. We have also developed quick media transfer mechanism to transfer media or images through our application. This is the login screen of our application, and this is our registration module. And this shows our friend list of our Cryptex users, and the green icon shows the online users. And this is our image sending module. Platform independence is another main aspect of our application, as we have developed our application as a responsive web application and a standalone mobile application. Cryptex supports a screen size of any mobile and desktop device as it is developed responsively. We have used following technologies to achieve the task of developing responsive web application of Cryptex. HTML5, Bootstrap, JavaScript, PHP, Ajax are some of them. As you can see, these are some screenshots taken from MobileWeave and the original WebWeave. The responsiveness works quite flawlessly. Finally, the Cryptex has customizable features, secret language keyboard management between users, session timeout, customizability and interface personalization features. And keyboard management is done by assigning a keyboard to a pair of users at the start of the communication. And keyboards are locally saved in their devices but not saved in the servers to ensure confidentiality. Session timeout is another feature that supports auto logout after some time of inactivity. The user can customize its time limit to session timeout. The interfaces are also customizable with changeable UI color schemes. Let me invite Kalsha to present, talk about our challenges we face. Thank you.
Some libraries, modules in Android, problems in ASCII, problems in assigning value to keyboards. So, though we face these circumstances during the process of development, we were finally able to produce a working prototype of application with almost all of its features. In conclusion to all the work that we have done in this research solution, Cryptex is a secure communication tool running on both web and mobile platforms that can be used for intelligent operations. The users are facilitated to create their own cyber alphabet and automatically map into an encrypted image, as well as deleting the chat history automatically. In future development, we are endeavoring to improve that application integrating the features shown. The entire world demonstrated the ability of development of front-end oriented secure chat application to provide fallible communication for agent in surveillance agents. These are references, and that is the end of our presentation. And I would like to thank our Dean, Professor S. Karunananda, Head of Department, Mr. ADAI Gunasekara, Supervisor, Major R.M. Pradeep, and all the faculty members, and Mr. Amila Marasinghe for the guardians in achieving our target. Thank you.